Why do you need brick mold? What is brick mold? Chris here with Door Clearance Center. Now you've got your beautiful door that you just purchased. You need something else. What is that? Casing and brick mold. We have tons of options here. We have 1x4x90, 1x4x16 foot, and 1x6x16 foot. They can be used for door casing, they can be used for baseboards, for your whole project. We also have 1x2x16, all prices very low, very high quality. We have a 3.5 inch, all kinds of door casing for interior. But what about your exterior door? You've purchased this new exterior door. Why do you need brick mold? What is brick mold? Well, this is brick mold. It's a thicker exterior casing, ready to paint. Some options are pre-finished, some options are stainable, some are even pre-finished PVC options. Won't rust, won't rot. This is what it looks like as a finished product. This is your brick mold installed on a beautiful exterior door. Fiberglass door, PVC jambs. There's nothing to rot here. This is what it looks like before you install your brick mold. You have your prime door, you have your fiberglass. You take your brick mold stick, affix it to the jamb. It's thick enough to match up nicely with your brick and gives you a nice, clean, finished look.